I've just got a request from Jonah asking, did you use a particle simulation to play the drop of water? And for that render, I used two different techniques. For the window, I used the bump map to create the drop of water. And for the Piggy, I used X particle. For Piggy, it's as well possible to use cloner. I'm gonna show you like those different methods. Okay, so let's get started with the texture first. So basically, I used a specular material. So you double click on it, and there, so I like to play with the node editor window. So I create a texture image that I plug in the roughness overlay. So I use, let's say, this one. Not that one. Wait, not this one. Okay, nope. So like this, it doesn't save again in the texture folder. And then, since I like to have some control on the intensity, I like to use float texture. And since this image is black and white, you don't need to use normal type. You can use float texture. It's gonna save you a lot of resources and time when you're gonna render. So float texture, and okay, we're gonna do that a little bit later. And then, so another texture image, I put that in the bump, and that's where I'm gonna put the drop bump map. So you can look for any type of drop bump map. You can find that in Google, but I'm gonna try to find you a link when you can find something cool. Okay, I'm gonna take this one. Nope. And we can put that there. And then, to give it more water feel, I've used in a transmission fall off. Okay, and it doesn't look super good, but you'll see that with a little bit of tweak here, I'm gonna put 0.8 or maybe 7. And for the fall screw, we're gonna put 1.9. Okay, and okay, let's work a bit on this. Okay. So we're gonna place a gradient right in between, and like that we can put some color actually. Okay, I'm gonna switch this like that, and here I'm gonna put the blue. Light blue. Like this. Okay. And so for the window, I just took, you can use a plane if you want. Like that. Plane. Put it on Z. And we're gonna just check it out a little bit, make some space here. And we need a light. Let's use HDRI. This one. Okay. Nope. So that's what we have. Just to, you know, not so bad. Yeah. So here I use the float texture. It's like this. I can control the intensity of, you know, to give a steamy feel. Okay. Yeah, I would say that's pretty much it for. You can play with the value and get something that you're going for, but that's the basic idea for the draw on the window. Yeah, I forgot something important. Here in the fake shadow, okay, let me double click here. So in the fake shadow, when you enable fake shadow, it looks even better. Yeah, I like to use path tracing. I just need to change here the samples. Here we go. Ooh, that gives a pretty nice window.